In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Advanced Features. Then tap on Dual Messenger at the very bottom. Select one of your apps you wish to clone and hit gray switcher next to it. Then tap on Install and wait. If you want to, you can use this switcher next to your separate contact list. Click on it and tap on Select Contacts to adjust them. If you want to delete your cloned app, tap on the same No Blue switcher and hit Uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!